Let's look at a brief overview of this course. Since this course focuses on application, you will want to begin by choosing a subject area or course to design or redesign for this course's assignments. So let's be practical in our approach. You want to think about a course, a subject, maybe a workshop that you're going to be teaching this fall, and you will let that be the focus of your efforts for this course. Then you'll choose an instructional design model to help you design your course or your training. You will then design actual online modules to be used in this course or training, all in accordance with your identified instructional design model. For example, I have used Universe by Design as my instructional design theory in preparing this course for you. Again, this can be any course or training, one you've taught before or something new. You need to choose what is best for you, and you will end this course with several fully online modules ready for fall. So everyone will begin with completing several common tasks, and then you will branch out to choose one of 4 pathways. So let's spend a little bit of time looking at these common tasks. The first task will be to design a Google Doc training plan. This is a planning document that will serve as a blueprint for your course, and you will use this as your plan of design, every item that you want to include. The second item that is a common task is to create an orientation module for this online course or this workshop. So let me talk a little more about the Google Doc just to give you an idea of what will go into this. This is a planning document. Think of it as the blueprint for your course, and this will help you plan your entire course. More details and the rubric for this assignment are available in Canvas, but you will include course goals, learning objectives, course description. You will include the instructional design framework, a description of the target audience or audiences for this course, an outline of the proposed course, and a brief description of major assignments. Within this outline of the proposed course, you'll include topics, additional objectives, and outcomes that will help meet the overall course outcomes. And again, there's much more detail provided in Canvas. So you'll create your blueprint for the entire course. The next common task is to create an orientation module for this specific course that you just planned. Now, this orientation module is going to include an overview page that has learning outcomes for the course. It will talk about how the course will be offered, provide a course roadmap, a brief introduction to the course's major assignments. You'll have a course checklist, and I'd like you to provide some type of welcome letter or email that you might send to students just prior to the course. Again, there's more details and a rubric available in Canvas. So you'll plan out an entire course, you'll do a blueprint for this course, and you will actually design the first module, the orientation module. Now, some of you already have a learning management system at your institution that you'll be using. Some of you may not. So if you have an LMS, a learning management system such as Canvas or Blackboard that you're using at your institution, you can use that for your modules. Otherwise, in Canvas, I've provided you with information on how to set up a free instructor Canvas site so that you could use that as a place to house these modules until you're able to export them into the learning management system of your institution. Next, we'll take a look at the 4 different pathways within this course.